Hello and welcome to this Migroto case review. I'm Damon Aryan, registered migration agent since 2013. In this video, I'm going to take a closer look at the applicant situation and see how realistic are the chances to receive an invitation to apply for one of the GSM visas 189, 190 or 491 in this financial year. Now let's see what we have. We have an onshore applicant living in Victoria. His occupation is Electrical Engineering Draftsperson. The points claim or to be claimed is 65 points with 10 points for English, and the applicant's partner only receives 5 points. Please remember, this review is based on Migroto data coming from official government and state sources and some targeted freedom of information requests, all supported by our AI tools. Before making any decision based on this review, please make sure you read the disclaimer at the end of this video. The applicant is an electrical engineering draftsperson and is currently onshore in Victoria with 65 points, proficient English, partner 5 points. The number of applicants in the queue for your occupation is very low, with a total of 112 EOIS submitted for subclass 189. In last financial year, invitations received by applicants with points ranging from 90 to 80. Which is meaningfully decreasing. It shows that the number of new applicants coming into the pool is less than the invitations provided. However, your score is below the threshold. With state nomination, the applicant would move to 70 points for subclass 190. As you live in Victoria, your main chance for 190 and 491 is this state, so we focus on it. The selected Migroto data shows subclass 190 invitations. As you can see, in the last financial year, in only 2 occasions this occupation was invited for 190, and with point 90 and 95. Both have superior English. With regional nomination, the applicant would have 80 points for subclass 491. Among these few invitations, one invitation was provided to an applicant with the same point as you. Checking details, it's given that this specific individual was living and working in regional Victoria. Checking last financial year's state program, living and working in regional Victoria was the minimum requirement for 491. Follow the state program, which is to be published in next few weeks, and if the same conditions are imposed. Moving to regional Victoria and working in any occupation would increase the applicant's chances for 490. Last financial year, less than 5 applications submitted for subclass 189, 13 for 190, and less than 5 for 491. Assuming 70% of invitations are being lodged, it looks like around less than 10 invitations for 189 and around 20 invitations of 190 and less than 10 invitations for 491 will be issued this financial year. Checking the backlog, it looks like that. With your points, there's no indication that you have a high chance to secure invitations in any subclass. However, if you can increase your points for 15 points, you'll be in a good chance for both 189 and 190. $189 could be an option if you had at least extra 5 points. At this stage and with 65 points, you don't have a strong prospect in receiving invitation to apply for subclass 1. Track your state program and most likely you can leverage your chances by providing evidence of working in Victoria in your ROI for state. 189. If you can't increase your points, better to follow the state program for this subclass. Your situation is on the borderline. You may receive an invitation in this financial year if you are lucky, but if you want to have the assurance of receiving the invitation, you should either increase your English score or leverage your state sponsorship potential by using the tools to be provided in this financial year program by Victoria. Most likely by providing evidence of working and receiving income in state.